The new Omicron variant has spurred new surge in cases and hospitalizations in the U.S. southern state of Texas. According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, Texas set a new record on Wednesday for COVID-19 cases in a single day, with 75,817 new cases reported. The DSHS tweeted on Wednesday that the state reported more than 300,000 new COVID-19 cases in just the last week alone, which made up 1% of the entire Texas population. Data from the department showed that a total 11,571 Texans were being hospitalized with COVID-19, with 2,204 of them in intensive care. Texas on Sunday ranked the third in new cases of COVID-19 in the United States within 72 hours. Some health experts warn that the peak of the current surge is likely still ahead in Texas, as the Omicron variant is moving rapidly throughout the state after a holiday season filled with gatherings and travels. Many hospitals in Texas began recruiting necessary extra staff as Omicron is again stretching hospital resources. Some Texas school districts are also shutting down campuses in order to mitigate the spread of the virus. The largest public school district in Texas and the nation's seventh largest, Houston Independent School District, opened COVID-19 testing sites last week for students and staff at many of its campuses and sports stadiums.